What are you looking at?
Oh, this cat lady has been sending me emoticons of cats all day.
Well, that's cute.
Yeah, you're telling me. Like, there's that one eating popcorn. There's one eating pizza.
Well, that's natural.
There's one playing a piano. I bet it's Mozart.
You know what?
There's one eating noodles. A lot of eating. There's one with a monocle.
Huh?
There's a DJ cat.
No, that's sick.
Yeah. It's very strange, actually.
Yeah. It's just an old lady with a bunch of cats.
I think there's only one way to find out.
I'm getting a vision.
Jeffrey, get down!
She's not at all what I expected.
What were you expecting?
Well, she's not old.
Did you get my messages?
Yes, I did. How did you even get my information?
Kittylovers.net on the message board.
Wait, you're Kitty Lover 5946? I mean, that wasn't me.
You post those cat pictures like every day. They're so cute. They look like my little Jeffrey.
I don't know what you're talking about, but do you want to join the Super Squad of Awesome?
You'll have to pass 3 challenges.
Can I bring my cats?
Your toes! Your toes!
So why am I making pancakes again?
Superheroes can't fight off an empty stomach.
And that one's Fluffy, and that one's Sassafras, and that one's Cutie Pie. That one's a tiger. I'm not sure why it's here. And that's Jeffrey. That one's my favorite right there. He's cutie. He's my favorite. Yeah.
Cats are stupid! For your final task, you gotta show off your dance moves.
Make him sick.
What? No toes?
Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love, and be careful what you do. Cause the love becomes the truth. Hey, the Billie
Why am I making pancakes?
I just started.
Why am I making pancakes again?
They were talking.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know you